like a Hellcat.
Come back to my video, and thank all of you about subscribe, and if you are not to this channel, please subscribe and click the little bell to be notified when I upload a video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to how to solve an algebraic equation with like addition and subtraction. So let's go into it. If it's y minus 12 plus 3 is equal to 12, what you must do is like just add them and then do the same thing. You add 5, do on the right side too, you add 5. So if you add negative and a positive, it will be in 0. So you add that and it will be 17. So 17 plus 2, 17 minus 2 is 15. 15 minus 15 plus 3, no, but if you like 15, it will be 15. Yeah, if 15 plus 3, 18. No, we must first add, because that's bad. We must follow bed mass. You see, must follow bed mass. Addition, bed mass is brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Like if you did it like, you see, if I did it like 2 plus 3 and I subtract this, it will be 15. 15 plus 3, it will be 18, and it will be a wrong answer. But when I add first and then subtract, it will be a correct answer. You see? Yeah, it's like that. So like you must first add and then subtract. It makes it easier. So if it's like a question is x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 24, like that, here you must like first add and it will be 8, and then you do 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24 plus 8. So is x is equal to 32. X is equal to 32. Yeah, it's equal to 32. And if you like you subtract first like 6 and then you like add 6, it will be a wrong answer. So you must like go with the order of bed mass. You must add and then subtract. So it will be 32. It will be 32. So yeah, it will be like that. It will be 32. And if it's like a minus like 12 plus 3 is equal to 27. So it's like a, you add and 15 is equal to 27. You do the same, you add 15 and you add 15 too. And this, when you add 15 too, because like it's the principle, like you must, when there's a negative, you must do the opposite and it will be a positive. And if it was a multiplication sign, it will, the opposite is division, like that. So you must do the opposite of the operation. So it's like negative, so it will be a positive. So addition. So if you add this up, it will be a is equal to, it will be 42. Yeah, 42. It will be 42. When you add this is 12, 42. It's correct, 42. So like it's like the same as like bed mass, but different. So like we combine addition and subtraction, and sometimes questions come like this, like let me say like 2 plus 2 subtract y is equal to 12. So that like you must then add and subtract y is equal to 12. So if you add like that, you must say x, like it will be like 4 plus 4 8, because there is a no negative. So what you can do is like just put the y in the front and then you do this, because they allow it in school, and you do it again, it will be just right like that. You add 4 and 4, yeah, it will be y is equal to 16. And if you add 4 and then subtract, it will be a negative, but that would be wrong for real. 8 minus xy, let me see, 8y and then 12. Nah, it will be wrong. So if a question comes like that, like it will be like in a set of wrong, like when they set it wrong. But yeah, let's still go on. Like question normally come with this, it's just like the letter that you are finding comes first, and sometimes they come like in boxes, like box, subtract 2 plus 2 is equal to 12, like that, and you just do the box, do the same thing. It's like they replace the letter by the box, and some people replace the box with the letter. So yeah, it's the same, but they use the different like yeah, they use the different like variables like that. So yeah, it will be like it is the same as like a letter, but they do it in different thing, like it becomes a box. And yeah, you do the same thing with the letter, like when you are using the letter like that, and the box is equal to 16, and there you find the answer. So like some set of questions comes with boxes, others comes with like letters. Like definitely in like high school they come in letters, and yeah, they come in letters. And in like middle school, they sometimes come in letters, or other ones they come in boxes like this. And high schools definitely y, and sometimes like yeah. And sometimes in high school is so different like from middle school. I'm in middle school, but I know a little about like in high school, because like sometimes I do high school math, and like high school math is the same as middle school, but it's slightly different. Like they add so much thing in high school, like yeah, they had so much thing about, like in high school they add more thing, like more math and formulas, like how to like ways how to reach an question and answer quickly, like yeah, because they time the math, the what, and the grade. So thank you for clicking on my video. And if you subscribe, I appreciate it so much, and like and comment. Thank you.